Hey fam, I'm in the office today and I thought I would just do a quick video so I can just, share some tips with you guys. So I figured what I would do today is just kind of talk through 10 things that I do every single day as a cleaning business owner. And I will tell you that my list probably looks a lot different than most people's list, but it's because I run multiple businesses. I work full time. I am a mom. And listen, if you're wondering, girl, how you do it all, I don't even know myself how I do it all. But guess what? We're here, right? So let me move this camera just a little bit. And try. The lighting is pretty good, yeah. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. So the first thing that I'll share with you guys that I think is so important that I do is I make sure that I stay on top of communication. So what does that look like? That looks like me staying on top of my email communications. That looks like me, responding to clients and following up. The second thing that I do, this is perfect. The second thing that I do, guys, is I react to burning fires. So if there's something that I need to, work on, I need to focus on in my business, I react to that and I make sure that I'm focusing in on that in my business as well. So, every single day brings its own set of unexpected challenges. And that is true for literally any business that you're in, right? So that's something that I do every single day. Number 3, I follow up on first time cleans. Now, this has been so important because the first time I get a clean, I want to make sure that they're satisfied. I want to make sure that, how the cleaner did, that the quality check went well and all the things, because we want to make sure that that person has no issues, especially for our commercial clients or our apartment move-in, move-outs, and just to really ensure that they're happy and satisfied with the cleaning. So I do those follow-ups, and I'm usually calling. I'm on the phone calling and talking to them as well. And I think even if you're in residential, you want them to have that recurring, cleans and recurring business for you, right? So you definitely want to make sure that you do that. The fourth thing, excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. The fourth thing that I do every single day, I follow up on estimates. So if I did a walkthrough or someone from my team did a walkthrough, then I make sure that I follow up on those estimates on a day-to-day basis. This can be done through calls, through emails, but regardless of how you do it, just make sure that you're getting it done. The next thing that I do is I make sure that if I'm doing a bid like the day before, that next day that I'm sending out estimates and that I'm sending out bids in my business, because somebody else is going to beat you to the punch, right? So if you're waiting 3, 4, 5 days to get a bid in, and they have 2 or 3 companies that they're receiving bids from, you may lose out on that bid just based upon the time frame in which you responded. So I can't stress enough how important it is to really make sure that you are ahead of the game and that you are responding as needed as well. The 6th thing that I do is that I invoice and that I make sure that I'm charging people for their services. Because obviously that's important. The 7th thing that I do is payroll management. So anytime I need to run payroll or anything like that, I'm doing that. The 8th thing that I do, I always focus on hiring activities. So whether that's posting in local Facebook groups, posting on Craigslist, I do that every day. And the 9th thing that I do is supply and inventory management. So whether that is office supplies or just some cleaning supplies, I make sure I do that. And then number 10 is bookkeeping tasks. So really it's important to know your numbers and to stay on top of your bookkeeping. And that's something I spend a lot of time on. Right now I use QuickBooks and I spend a lot of time doing that. So hopefully these will give you some ideas on what you can utilize and start to do in your business. And if you have any questions, make sure that you definitely take advantage of my 30-minute or my 1-hour coaching session. I've opened those up. And make sure that you also join me in my cleaning mentorship online community. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Cheers.